Hey there. So, one area of Hapax that we've seen a lot of the FIs that we work with use the system with is around building strategy. I've had a couple videos that are similar, but big topics right now with a lot of the banks and credit unions that we work with is around improving things like efficiency ratios. Generative AI is meant to help employees be more efficient. So, by nature, I think talking about efficiency ratios and maybe strategies for improving efficiency ratios is a really good place to maybe start. And so, in this particular instance, the prompt that I'm giving Hapax is uh, really just to get some ideas going and get the brain moving on, hey, give me some out of the box strategies to improve our efficiency ratio over the next 2 years. And I'm even going to take it a step further and say, and on top of that, give me a quarter over quarter plan to achieve that goal. And so one of the cool things is this is meant to be a first pass, right? With the output that it gives, we'll be able to dive into maybe parts of the plan that it suggests in more detail. We can have it expand on certain things, get as detailed as we want it to. But right now, it's going through its thought process. It's understanding, okay, what do I need to look at about our institution, information that lives in our vault? Are there any regulations that are coming, down the pipe that we need to be mindful of that could impact the way that we're operating? So all that is taken into account, within the output that it's giving here. So I won't read every aspect of this. I'm going to let it generate here, and then we'll scroll to the top. But Hapax is going to say, hey, improving the efficiency ratio, in this case for a bank like Acme Bank, which is our test bank, requires a multifaceted approach. Here's some out-of-the-box strategies to consider. At the top, it's saying, implement a cloud-based core banking system, leverage AI and machine learning, shameless plug there. Introduce new fee-based services, optimizing branch network and operations, streamlining back office operations. There's a ton of good content in here. Once again, these may be a little bit high level as a first pass with this type of prompt because it's not incredibly specific. But we could dive into this in more detail if we wanted to via this chat feature and really just talking with Hapax and having a conversation. And then similarly, I asked for that quarter over quarter plan to achieve that goal, and it'll actually break it out into a year one, quarter two, three, and four. Same thing for year two. So play around with it. Try it with these kind of big strategic things that you may be working on in your day to day. And the cool thing, as I always allude to, is around a stream of consciousness, right? So, okay, cool. Well, maybe I want to expand on this particular topic up top around, leveraging AI and machine learning. A good follow up question to that could be, what types of AI and machine learning should be on our radar, right? And how should we potentially think about implementing those types of solutions in specific areas within the institution? So strategy is a big usage with generative AI and Hapax. We implore you, but please try out different things that you're working on, use it for strategic help wherever you need. Thank you.